Are you in need of a professional garage door repairman in the Pittsburgh area? Well, give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Steel City Garage Door is Pittsburgh's #1 24-hour emergency garage door repair and installation company. We're fast and reliable, and we get the job done right the first time. We're locally and family owned and have been in business for over 25 years. If you'd like a new garage door, please visit our site at www.steelcitygaragedoors.com and choose from hundreds of styles of garage doors. Thank you, and we look forward to speaking with you.